Rolls-Royce headquarters at the time of Phantom One's creation were in London, on Conduit Street. It's here that the codename Seagull was born, code for the very first Phantom One prototype in 1923. By the time Phantom One was launched in 1925, it had several distinct features, such as the Spirit of Ecstasy. Paying tribute to its ancestors, Phantom Centenary features the original profile from Phantom One, precisely replicated and reduced in size. The original statue, inspired by Eleanor Thornton, is finished in 24-karat gold, depicting Rolls-Royce as the pinnacle of luxury. Phantom One, flaunting the iconic Spirit of Ecstasy, was formerly test-driven along the picturesque Creole-Canadelle-sur-Mer coastline, the location of Sir Henry Royce's winter home. These endeavours defined Phantom One as a pillar for automotive excellence, establishing a new standard for luxury and performance. After the success of Phantom One, Henry's recorded to have sat envisaging the vehicles of the future in his home in West Wittering. Sat under the mulberry tree, the future of Phantom was born. We invite owners to sit right where Royce once did himself, nestled underneath the leaves stitched into the starlight headliner of Phantom Centenary. Following the success of Phantom One, Sir Henry Royce continued his pursuit for perfection. The next 7 generations of Phantom are honoured amongst bespoke details in our private collection, Phantom Centenary. They can be admired throughout the mural, intricately tailored across the rear seats, as well as the mixed medium door cards. Further hidden gems include references to influential Phantom owners, amongst which historic automotive achievements and regal insignia appear, highlighted by gold thread details. Together, they craft an immersive narrative celebrating Rolls-Royce's legacy. This private collection really is a celebration of culture, fulfilled in the most luxurious way. And there was no other way to celebrate that than with 24-karat gold detailing throughout. This detail is accented on the engine cover, highlighting the evolution in art and engineering that led up to our present-day Phantom 8. It leads you to wonder, what is next on Phantom's journey? Just as Henry Royce once did, under his mulberry trees. As iconic now as Conduit Street once was, the home of Rolls-Royce inspires and sees through the creation of every modern-day Phantom. From our honeybees, producing our very own Rolls-Royce honey, to our square trees in the courtyard. These are just a few memories you take home from any visit. Our Phantom roses, bred exclusively for the Rolls-Royce brand, have been captured on the starlight headliner, a distinct feature found surrounding our pond in the courtyard. Rolls-Royce motorcars has been largely defined by Phantom, as much as Phantom is entwined in Rolls-Royce's DNA. This DNA, the very core of Rolls-Royce, can be found in our Anthology Gallery, depicting everything we now stand for as a brand. Effortless, handcrafted, artistry are all qualities that make up the pinnacle of our fleet. Both iconic and magnificent, Phantom Centenary really is an enchanting art form to be celebrated in the car's 100th year. 100 years of perfection.
Phantom has long been the quiet handshake of accomplishment, and this Centenary Private Collection leans into that legacy with confidence. Limited to 25 cars, It approaches celebration the Rolls-Royce way with craft you feel before you notice. The two-tone body glows as super champagne crystal over Arctic white meets a darker super champagne crystal over black. The shimmer comes from champagne-tinted particles, layered in greater quantity for unusual depth. Above the grille, the Spirit of Ecstasy returns in ceremonial form. Cast in solid 18-karat gold and finished with 24-karat plating, she carries a special phantom centenary hallmark. The badges appear in white enamel and gold, while the disc wheels carry 25 engraved lines each, together forming 100 lines for the milestone year. Inside, the storytelling begins. The rear seats layer high-resolution prints with more than 160,000 embroidery stitches that read like pencil marks in fabric. Motifs hint at places that shape the mark, notable phantoms, and 7 symbolic patrons across generations. In front, laser-etched leather sketches nod to code names and prototypes for those who enjoy the brand's lore. The Anthology Gallery stretches across the fascia like a metallic poem with 50 printed fins in brushed aluminum cut from letters that form a century of praise. Light plays across the edges like gentle fireworks. Door panels in stained blackwood turn mapping into sculpture with multi-directional marquetry, laser etching, 3-dimensional ink layers, and 24-karat gilded roads that trace journeys from West Wittering to southern France to a 4,500-mile Australian crossing. Picnic tables mirror Phantom 1 and Phantom 8, and a piano black veneer dusted with gold links past to present. Lift the bonnet, and a 6.75-liter 12-cylinder wears Arctic white with 24-karat detailing. Above, a Starlight headliner stitches 440,000 points of story, from mulberry leaves and Goodwood trees to bees from the Rolls-Royce apiary, and a quiet salute to Bluebird, inviting passengers to dream a little bigger.